This is how I help clients reset oily roots and extend days between washes. Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, certified trichologist and hairstylist for over 20 years. This routine is made to control oil for up to 48 hours. It exfoliates, balances and refreshes without stripping your scalp or weighing your hair down. Start with the Scalp Exfoliator before the shower. It clears away buildup and preps the scalp for better oil control. Apply it section by section on dry scalp. Use your fingertips to massage in gently, then let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing and shampooing as usual. Next is the Serum. This is what helps regulate oil production and keep your scalp balanced between washes. Apply 1 to 2 pipettes throughout the scalp on clean or dry hair post-shower. Focus on oily areas and massage it in. It absorbs fast and won't leave behind any residue. And finally, dry shampoo. Use this between washes to absorb oil, refresh your roots and boost volume. Shake well and spread the roots section by section. Let it sit for a few seconds, then massage in with your fingers or brush through. Unlike traditional aerosol dry shampoos, this benzene-free formula is enriched with fulvic acid, which delivers over 65 minerals directly to the scalp. It absorbs oil on contact while nourishing the scalp, refreshing hair without the residue or buildup. Less oil, more volume and longer lasting hair. That's what this system delivers every time.